Tautology, if all values in the truth table are true, then it is called कोई बात नहीं है, ये बोल रहा है मैं
सर अजान ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होती है ना, अजान पढ़ते तो कुरान नहीं होते।
अच्छा ठीक है। टोटोलॉजी, इफ सेल्फ कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन, if all values in the truth table are false and F, then it is
रुक जा,
called
ट्रूथ टेबल, देन
self-contradiction. Okay. If all are true, then argument is valid. There is tautology. In bracket, you can say argument is valid. Argument is not valid.
invalid,
Neither में if some T and some F,
if some truth
then
and
neither
some
true nor false. Okay. On the basis of this, we will check any type of statement is valid or not valid, tautology or not tautology, self-contradiction or not self-contradiction. Okay. For this given statement, we have to justify, we need a truth table only. There is no other method. Okay. Except truth table. Truth table. What we need? We have two propositions, P and Q. It means first two columns. One is true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. If there are two entries, then first two true, then two false. True, false, true, false. Okay. Now next is we need P, R and Q. For this, according to definition, if both are true, then true, otherwise false. So what is here? True, false, false, false. And for this, here use conditional statement. Conditional antecedent is this and consequent is this. Label the column first 2, 3 and 4. Here is 3 and here is 2. It means 3 is antecedent, between 2 and 3 and 2. Okay. So it means column third is antecedent and column 2 is consequent. So T and T is T. F and F is T. F and T is
false.
T.
T?
Because antecedent is false. Only false when antecedent is true and consequent is false. So according to the definition, it is true. And now both are F, again true. Only one condition where it is false, that is antecedent is true and consequent is false. Okay. So all are true. It's mean tautology because all values are true, so valid. So argument is valid. What is definition of argument? Set of facts and assumption. So these are set 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, with two connector. One is and connector, another is conditional. Okay, so completely it is statement, and completely statement with some result. Result is called conclusion is there. It's argument. These are parts of argument is called premises or proposition. Premises. When we define premises with PQR, these PQR are called propositions. Okay, so it is tautology. Say in other case, if there is some all F, if there is all F, it will be self-contradiction. If there is some F, some P, then it will be what? Neither tautology nor self-contradiction. Okay. Now come to the point. In exam,
Sir 41 हो गए.
in exam there is some question just like this. Very short सा question है.
Last है.
Short सा.
Last है.
ये मैं मार्क करके लाया हूँ कि इस तरह के हमको आएंगे. Prove the validity. What is the question? Prove the validity of argument. Argument क्या है? P R Q, P R not R, therefore Q. ये आपको कराए हुए क्लास में. Step 1 is given. Step 1 is given. Sometimes there is word problem. You should have to first perform this. Okay, here is step 1 is given. And step 2 is join this with the and sign. Okay. PRQ and PR not R implies Q. Bracket, big bracket is here. Okay, square bracket is here. So it is called implication. It is called implication. बेटा बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, फिर बातें कर रहे हो, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. Step 3, truth table. How many ingredients here? P, Q, and R. 3. It means there are 8 entries. For this we have to table P, Q, R, and not R, negation of R. Then P, R, Q, then P, R not R, then P, R, Q, and P, R not R, then R and Q. Therefore Q means result is this. Okay. Although we have only 3 premises, P, Q, R. What is the method for 3? 4T, 4F. Total we have 8. then 2T 2F 2T 2F then PF 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 PF. It is very easy method.